If you enjoy the channel and don't want to miss a video, press the notification bell next to the subscribe button. Hey folks, Mobile Geezer here with my unboxing of the Sony Xperia L1. So this year I'm going to have a new policy reviewing less expensive phones. I'll probably still get a couple of the flagships, but I've decided to go towards the more affordable phones. So take the old unboxing knife. I picked this up at Best Buy the other day. Box open. Here's the phone itself. This is the first Sony phone I've ever owned, so we'll see how what that experience is like. We'll peel off this little covering right here. Certainly feels pretty good in the hand. It's got the typical Sony look with the boxy look and some people say sharp edges. I don't consider it sharp, but they're certainly very angular. There's the back front. So we'll just take you around the phone real quick. Got the power button over here on the right, volume up and down. On the left looks like we've got our SIM tray. Up top, our earphone jack microphone. So on the bottom, looks like we've got our speaker, our USB-C in connection, and another microphone. Around back, we've got a 13 megapixel camera, and a flash. And up front, we have our 5 megapixel camera. Shows you how to put in the SIM card. So I'm going to put my third SIM in here, and I'll be carrying it on a daily basis. So taking a quick look at some of the specs. We've got a 13 megapixel camera on the rear, 5 megapixel on the front. It's got a 5.5 inch HD screen, USB-C connection. Glad it's not micro USB. Kind of a small battery, 2620 milliamp. Quad core processor, and it's 16 gigabytes. So let's see what else we've got in the box. Got our startup guide, our micro USB cable, and our power bank. So now let's power this on, see if we've got any power. My first time powering up a Sony phone. Okay folks, I'll get this set up and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. So while it's doing its downloading of apps, I'll give you an idea of the size comparing with some other phones. There's the Sony Xperia L1 next to my HTC U11. There it is next to my Moto Z2 Play. And finally next to my Xiaomi Mi A1, which is going to be much closer in specs, and that's probably one of the ones I'll be doing some comparisons to in the future. So there we go folks. There's the screen. Looks kind of nice. This phone does not have a fingerprint scanner, so kind of used to that. That's going to take some getting used to go back to using a pattern. So there's our app tray, I'll probably be switching over to the Google Now launcher, which is what I usually do, but I'll see if I can stick with their skin for a little bit. So that's the unboxing of the Sony Xperia L1. My first Sony phone, starting low. Hopefully I'll move up to the Sony XAs sometime this year. So, as always, comments are welcome, and thanks for watching.